Hi everyone. In my first 3 months learning English, I did not try to learn everything at once. I focused on small steps and I tried to be consistent every day. At the beginning, I only learned simple words and basic sentences. I wrote them in a notebook. Sometimes I read them again before sleeping. I also practiced speaking even when I was alone. It felt strange at first, but I kept going. I talk about simple things like my day, my food, or what I saw around me. Some days were easy, some days were confusing. I used short video to train my listening. I did not try to understand every word, but I tried to catch the main idea. When I heard a new word many times, I wrote it down. Then I repeated the sentences slowly. And yeah, I also tried shadowing. I listened and spoke at the same time. At first, I was too slow, but later I could follow a little better. Sometimes I paused the audio, sometimes I replayed it again and again. And I made simple sentences using new words. Not perfect, but better. I didn't focus too much on grammar rules. I focused more on pattern. I looked at how sentences were made. I tried to copy the style. Every day, I practiced a little. Even when I was tired, I still did something small. And I also spoke in English in my mind when I walked, when I sat, when I did nothing. It helps me think faster. Sometimes I forgot words that was okay, but I tried again the next day. In these 3 months, I learned to enjoy the process. I stayed patient and I kept showing up every day. Thank you for watching.